Gabo Kabalen. Welcome to Hermopaga.
Yes, for today's vlog, are you ready to level up your messy dining experience?
Nandito tayo ngayon sa The Orange Bucket and we've been invited to celebrate with them yung kanilang newly renovated expansion. So guys, samahan niyo po kami dito anong nangyari, on the blessing, the celebrations, and all the chaos, the food. Guys, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
So we are ready. And guys, beef is on and the table is also ready. So pakita ko muna yung itsura ng table natin. So eto yun guys, eto siya. So ayun, we are ready. Beef is on. So ano pang gawin natin guys? Let's get it on.
Ito yung mga sinaserve nila dito sa The Orange Bucket. So meron tayong Supreme Bucket Seafood. So meron siyang lobster, crabs, and syempre yung mga other mga seafood. At the same time, meron tayong Thai spring roll, meron tayong seafood chowder, baby back ribs, Singaporean sotong, meron dito yung California maki, and for our dessert, yung kanilang Thai mango sticky rice. Yun. So gutom na ako. So let's eat! Some spice sa ating seafood. May meron tayong little bit spicy sauce dito. Yan. Ooh. That's it. I
can show you, so let's open it up. Ooh, maligay.
Sarap. Ito yung titikman natin. Let's taste it. Ang sarap niya, para siyang may crispy siya, at the same time yung lasa ng sauce o yung ginamit na pang glaze sa kanya, mapaparaise ka talaga.
Lobster! For our last dish, this is our dessert. What a way to end the video. Ito yung period ng right after sobrang flavor ng mga tinikman natin guys. Let's clean our palate with a good dessert. But we want it a little bit messy. Tawag nga nila dito messy dining experience. Alright, so let's taste it. Ang sarap.
Medyo malaki nga.
Ang sarap. Galing, no?
The Orange Bucket is located dito sa may Mega Twist Suite, Balibago, Angeles City. So ang pinaka-landmark lang ito ay malapit sa Mars Garden. And they are open from 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. Monday to Sunday.
So yun guys, we would like to congratulate the Orange Bucket for expanding yung store nila dito sa Balibago Branch. And at the same time, expanding in terms of number of branches. So congratulations po sa inyo. In the near future, we're gonna be featuring that. So
kumbaga tayo, the Orange Bucket Expedition.
So guys, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. We hope to see you in the next video. Until then, peace out. Bye guys.